Hey everybody, welcome to Studio 64. My name's David. I've been searching the interzones for some more science, space and tech news to share with you, and I came across this over at space.com. This should be interesting. Yes, astronauts test SpaceX Starship hardware and spacesuits for Artemis 3 moon mission. This should be very, very interesting. Now, the test confirmed the amount of space available in the airlock, on the deck, and the elevator are sufficient for the work our astronauts plan to do. And there they are. Yes, Axiom space astronaut and director of human spaceflight, Peggy Whitson, on the left, and NASA astronaut Douglas Wheelock wear pressure garments to remove heat and provide protection underneath the Axiom space-designed spacesuits during a test on April 30, 2024, at SpaceX headquarters in Hawthorne, California. Wow, incredible. There's now, come 2026, NASA plans to land humans on the moon for the first time since 1972. Allegedly. Times have changed, as can be gauged from the new rockets, spacecraft, and spacesuits. Now, to prepare for the Artemis 3 moon landing mission in late April, 2 astronauts donned Axiom Space's new spacesuit, and for the first time tested out a mock version of the vehicle that will get them to the moon. Now, as usual, I'll leave the link to the main article below the video, so you can pop in, check out these embedded links, go for a bit of a deeper dive if you want beyond the main article. It makes for a very interesting read, believe me. Yes, now scientists and engineers say the test, the first of its kind since the Apollo era, provided feedback on how well the spacesuits being built by Axiom worked with a test version of SpaceX's Starship Human Landing System, or HLS, NASA's vehicle of choice to ferry astronauts to and from the moon during the Artemis 3 mission. They were able to gauge the layout of the HLS, including its layout, physical design, and clearances, according to a NASA statement. Okay, let's see. Now, the 3-hour test, which was carried out at SpaceX's headquarters in Hawthorne, California, was also useful to judge the flexibility of the spacesuits and the ease of getting in and out of them before stowing them in the airlock with minimal assistance. Now, 2 astronauts, Axiom Space's Peggy Whitson and NASA's Doug Wheelock, donned spacesuits in a full-scale mock-up of the airlock that is perched on Starship's airlock deck. That'll be a handy place to put it. You wouldn't want it in the galley or something, would you? Or the sleeping quarters. Of course, it's in the airlock deck. Gee, David, you're silly. Each spacesuit also included a full-scale backpack model from the portable life support system, according to a statement by Axiom. Yes, I think I'd give these spacesuits a little bit more. Let's say a little bit. I'll have a little bit more confidence in them than anything built by Boeing. Now, during the test, the astronauts interacted with a control panel in the airlock to ensure the controls were within reach and could be activated while wearing gloves, NASA said. They also practiced using a test elevator, which will take astronauts and their equipment from the Starship deck to the moon's surface for moonwalks during the Artemis program missions. Overall, I was pleased with the astronauts' operation of the control panel and with their ability to perform the difficult tasks they'll have to do before stepping onto the moon. Logan Kennedy, the lead for surface activities in NASA's HLS program, said in the NASA statement. The test also confirms the amount of space available in the airlock, on the deck, and in the elevator are sufficient for the work our astronauts plan to do. So if there's anybody out there that knows more about this, please feel free. Pop a comment below. Absolutely and utterly fantastic. That is awesome. So the spacesuits have been tested for 2026 for the Artemis 3 mission to the moon. That's fantastic. Love it. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're up for it, drop a comment down below the video, because I'd love to hear what you think. All right, take care, and as I always say, if you can't be good at it. And as I also always say,
I'll be back.